The video is starting. Don't forget to click subscribe.
You're too fat. Lose weight, lose weight, lose weight.
Eat this to lose weight. Drink this to slim down. Hi everyone, I'm Elisse. Welcome to Living with Me. Many people have been asking me how I managed to slim down. So I decided to share my method for your reference. But before we start, let me show you my last time picture against my current picture. But it is not my fattest time, as I don't take picture when I'm fat. I will break into sessions starting from How we look is what we eat, so food plays an important part. I do not recommend starving, but I do recommend intermittent fasting once a week. Example, skipping lunch during one of the off day. Another method which works for me is not eating carbo. Example, rice, noodle, bread. But instead, I will eat salmon, chicken breast, or beef. Remember to also drink a lot of water. How much is a lot? This is my daily intake. Sometimes we feel hungry just because we are dehydrated. Let me show you what food can be taken for the 3 meals, including snacks. 2 hard-boiled eggs will keep you full while making you healthy. Previously, I take overnight oats. The recipe can be found in the link above. But recently, I changed to this brand of muesli. It is called Familiar. I will mix with orange juice for a refreshing taste, which is my current favorite, or simply soya milk. My lunch is free and easy, but I will take more vegetables and less carbo. Try to take smaller portion and eat slowly. This is what I got for today's lunch. Today's lunch will be slightly different as we have a farewell party for 2 of my colleagues. Not 1 but 2. We'll be having steamboat, so let me bring you along with me.
Hello.
Dinner, I will eat very little, but if I am hungry, I will add on soya milk. The best snack is of course fruits, but nuts or black chocolate can also be consumed. I know not everyone likes to exercise, but I try exercise every day for 2 weeks, and after which twice a week, and my weight maintained till today. Currently like Chloe T exercise program. I will put the link below. Mental health is so important as when you are stressed, you will tend to overeat and refuse to move. Remember to also smile. For more tips on how to stay mentally healthy, click the link above for the video. You also must have sufficient rest. Too tired or oversleep will make you crave for more food. Also, do not focus too much on the number on the scale. Sometimes it's due to water retention. So being healthy is the most important. So leave your comment below if you got other tips to share with other living family members. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Don't forget to like the video.